you never said anything about the lack of cats. This is the lowest my numbers have been.
It's nice. It's lonely.
I know, I feel like with less than 5, you can't really even call me a cat lady. What's wrong? All vamped up and no place to go?
No, I'm deciding on where to go to eat. I have to do this every day. It's so depressing. Why doesn't McDonald's deliver?
Isn't a vampire a little cliche?
I've always liked vampires. I mean, I get it. They're hungry. Them and zombies.
Somehow I feel like it's not the same thing.
Oh, we have this nice new apartment. We should throw parties here so that I don't have to get off the couch.
I'm going to Emily's. I promised to go 3 years in a row, and I always miss it due to some cat-related emergency.
I wouldn't miss this for the world either because it took me so long to find a plus-size vampire costume, and they cost more. So, are we taking separate cars or are we going together?
Yeah, let's just take separate cars. I don't want to have to stop at every fast food place on the way there and back.
I'm just trying to get a well-rounded meal, okay? And In-N-Out's got the burgers, Burger King's got good fries, and ooh, Wendy's has got the nuggets.
Ooh, nuggets do sound good. Will you get us a 6-piece? We can just share them when I get back.
Yeah, if you get the booze though, because honestly, I just can't carry any more weight.
Done deal. Oh, Vanny.
Welcome to Wendy's. Can I take your order?
Yeah. Can I get a number 6 extra large, a number 2? Not a real cat. Not a real cat. A chocolate frosty, side Caesar salad, and a 6-piece chicken McNugget.
I'm sorry, we're out of chicken nuggets.
What?
Would you like to cancel the rest of your order?
No!
Okay, $26.78. Next window, please.
Damn it, DT. I want chicken nuggets.
Okay, I hear you.
Welcome to Burger King. May I take your order? Yeah. Can I get a 6-piece chicken McNugget?
Would you like the chicken nuggets or the chicken fries?
Well, now I don't know.
Would you like to try both?
I guess so.
Would you like to make that a combo?
Yeah.
Real ice cream. I can't believe what a softie I've become. It's only because you're so damn cute. You better be quiet, though. All right. Who you talking about? Oh, okay. You scared the crap out of me. You're back?
I got full. Why are you back?
Oh, I forgot to scoop the litter box, so.
I ate one of your black cats. I hope that's okay.
What?
Were they supposed to be for the party?
Okay. Wow. I'm losing my mind. Dainty, did you not even save me a chicken nugget?
I don't blame her. Those things are harder to come by than you think. Well, if you're so hungry, I think there might be some food in the Jack in the Box bag.
No, I'm all right. I'll just eat at the party.
Sally, who are you kidding? You're already back here. You're not going to that party. You're going to sit on your ass with me and watch Hocus Pocus.
Oh, thanks. Damn it, I'll call Em.
I'm not here right now. Leave your message and I'll call you back. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey, Emily, it's Sally. I was just calling because I'm so sorry that I'm not at the party right now. I feel really bad. I've done this before, and I'm all dressed up and ready, and I was on my way, and I was in the car, and then I stopped, and I got some beer, and then I had the wrong kind of beer, and so I got some different beer, and I thought I saw a cat, but I didn't see a cat, and then I left because I actually did see a cat, and then I had to bring him back, and there was some Courtney got me some food. Anyway, I'm really sorry because I had every intention of being...
If you're satisfied with the message, press 1. To listen to your message, press 2. To erase and re-record, press...
Hey, Em, it's Sally. I was just calling because I'm really sorry I didn't make it to the party. Give me a call back because I want to talk to you. Love you. Bye. I love my life.
If you're satisfied with the message,
no.
press 1.
No,
to listen to your
no.
message, press 2.
Hey, next year. So sorry.
And then it turns into a zombie film.